In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels for organization in Confluence. Labels are a simple, powerful way to make your pages easier to find, group, and report on. By the end, you'll know how to add labels, search with them, keep them consistent across spaces, manage them over time, and use them in macros to build dynamic dashboards. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to organize. If you have edit access, click the edit button with the pencil icon. You can also open the page options menu if you're just reviewing how the page is set up. The goal here is simply to get to the spot where labels live so you can start applying them. Scroll to the bottom of the page and look for the labels section marked with a tag icon. Click into the field, type a label name, and press enter to add it. You can add more than one label to cover topic, project, team, or status. Keep labels lowercase and use consistent naming conventions so they're predictable and easy to manage later. Short, clear names work best. Think of labels as reusable keywords that instantly connect related pages. Labels shine when you search. Click any label on a page to see all pages that share it. When you need to get specific, combine multiple labels in your search to refine results and zero in on exactly what you're after. This is especially helpful for large spaces or cross-team initiatives. Quick note, there's a link to Confluence at the top of the description so you can open it and follow along in your own space as you watch. To get consistent results across your organization, apply the same label conventions in every space. Create labels for recurring topics, projects, and categories, so content feels unified whether you're in engineering, marketing, or operations. Over time, keep labels tidy. Click Edit Labels to remove labels you no longer need or rename them to match your conventions. Avoid redundant or overly specific labels that create clutter and fragment search results. It helps to review labels periodically and clean up anything that's unclear or unused. Finally, put labels to work in macros and reports. The Content by Label macro can automatically display pages that share a label, letting you build dynamic dashboards, project hubs, or navigation lists. For example, show all pages labeled with a project code and a status label to create an always up-to-date work summary. Establish clear, shared labeling rules with your team to maximize organization and searchability. Thanks for watching.